Meet the new Allround Space Finder, engineered for intelligent, high-capacity storage loading. A fully mobile chassis delivers effortless positioning wherever it's needed. Independent hydraulic steering provides exceptional maneuverability with precise control. A shaft-mounted gearbox with a hydraulic power unit delivers reliable power. Hydraulic height adjustment ensures smooth operation and a low drop height. An extendable conveyor reaches from 7.5 to 13.5 meters. A robust 700mm heavy-duty trough conveyor handles up to 90 tons per hour. A wide infeed bin and durable belt rollers ensure consistent material flow. Controlled swing movement allows accurate stockpile placement. Built with a heavy-duty chassis, dependable electrical controls, and premium workmanship. Designed for maximum storage efficiency. Built by Allround for performance that lasts.